cut this one. Can't wait. Hi there, thank you for watching GreenMangoes channel. Today I'm super excited to share with you this amazing recipe of how to make a fluffy souffle pancake. It's a very simple, easy, and quick to make pancake. So come on, let's get started. First, we're gonna talk about the ingredients that you will need for this souffle pancake. You're gonna need cake flour, room temperature milk, egg, olive oil or vegetable oil, granulated sugar, and vanilla extract. This is just olive oil that I pour out already, and the hand mixer, and 2 bowls for us to put the ingredients in. First, we're going to crack the egg and separate the egg white and the yolk. Just try to be very careful not to get the egg white into not to get the yolk in the egg white. There's a brown thing here on the egg white that I'm trying not to get in there. So you don't want any weird looking stuff in there. Okay, now let's make the mix with the yolk first. We're gonna put in cake flour, milk, vegetable oil, and a few drops of vanilla extract. Now we're gonna mix all the ingredients. You mix it until the consistency is smooth. There's no more clumps. Alright, that looks good right there. Now we are going to make the meringue. You will need the hand mixer. We're gonna start with the high speed and use the motion back and forth until the egg will bubble, and then we will start adding the sugar. I will show you here. As you can see now, the egg's white turns bubbles. We're gonna divide all the sugar into 3 portions. First third portion here. Then continue mixing. Remember, look at my motion. This has been about 30 seconds. We're gonna add the second third. So we're gonna add the last third here, and we're gonna mix until we achieve the stiff peak. We're just gonna check for the peak. Alright, so you can see that's good right there. Now we're gonna add the meringue to the yolk mix. So I'm just gonna scrape this out first. For the first portion, we're just gonna use the mixer to mix in the meringue. We liked it to be fluffy, so we're just gonna do it gently. I'm gonna take this out, then use the spatula. We're gonna do the same thing, divide this into about 3 portions. Kind of spread them out first, and then just kind of fold them. You see how you pay attention to the motion. Add the rest. It looks pretty mixed well together right now, so we're gonna go cook them. First, we're gonna place the non-stick pan on the stove. We're gonna turn heat on to low heat. I'm placing my heat at number 3. We'll let it heat it up a little bit. Spray with Pam. A lot, just to make sure that it doesn't stick, and just kind of dab a little to get the excess oil out. We're going to let the pan heat up. After the pan is heated up, we're gonna pour the mix into the pan. Scoop out this much. Pour it up. You can use the spatula to get the rest down. And we're gonna add a few drops of water. This is gonna help adding the moisture to the pancakes to help it get the fluffiness and the softness. And we're gonna close the lid, let it sit for about 4 minutes. Set the timer on for 4 minutes. Alexa, set timer for 4 minutes.
4 minutes, starting now.
The timer has gone off for 4 minutes. We're gonna flip our pancake. Try to be very gentle so you won't break them. Look at that baby. And the smells is delicious. I cannot wait to put that in my tummy. Alright, so we're gonna add a few more drops of water. We're going to cover the lid again for 4 minutes. The timer goes off. This is the second 4 minutes. Our pancake is ready. Alright guys, I'm super excited. I don't know if you can hear by my tone of voice, but this is like the best pancake I've ever tasted in my life. Trust me, you have to give this a try. Look at that baby. Oh my goodness. How fluffy it looks. Wait until I open it. Alrighty guys, the pancake's already on the plates. Now it's time to dig in. I have the maple syrup also right here. If you like, you can add syrup if you like. But for me, it's enough sweetness. I don't need extra carbs in there. Also, I add a little bit of butter on the top and some blueberries on the side. The best part about this pancake is no baking powder. You didn't need it. But the look at how fluffy it gets. It's even more fluffier than the usual pancake that we have to use baking powder. And then also, another positive or another benefit of this recipe is that we have more protein, because 1 egg we can only make 2 pancakes, whereas the other ones when I made the 1 egg it was more was like 4 or 5 pancakes. So this one we have more proteins. Alrighty, let's dig in. We're gonna eat. Cut this one. Alrighty. It's soft, fluffy, and the sweetness is perfect. I think you don't need extra syrup, but you know, some of us like sweeter than others, so you can add syrup if you like. Delicious. I hope you enjoyed these pancakes as much as I do. Please subscribe and don't forget the thumbs up. Thank you. See you next time.